Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XL trim and with the STX Appearance Package and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back where you have your rear doors that open like so, revealing your two almost jumper seat style seats in the back, which can have the cushion removed to access some storage compartments underneath. This one happens to house your jack, and I guess you could remove the seats just to have a flatter cargo area as well, but you do also have a 12-volt power outlet right there. And then looking into the front where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, distance to empty, your trip mileage, trip timer, fuel economy for said trip, and you have that for your trip 1 and 2. Then you have your fuel economy separately, your driver assistance features, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going. And you do have dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then you have your media controls and your physical climate controls with dual zone front climate again. Then you have two 12-volt power outlets right here, as well as two USBs down there, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode, traction control shut off, and your 4x4 selector. And you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside for all of your stuff, knickknacks, whatever you want to put in there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.